strong foundation in my course in terms of equipping me with skills such as data cleaning, data analysis, and constructing like very relevant dashboards to not just work with raw data, but to kind of get meaningful insights from my data that I'm working with. Some of the gaps that I've realized is in terms of the holistic business understanding. I'd say during my bootcamp in Moringa, our focus was mainly on handling like data sets. How do you clean them? How do you prepare and model them and make sure they are ready for like analysis? But right now, my perspective has shifted to a business person point of view. This is my business. What are my products? How do they get to the customers? How are sales affecting, for example, my revenue? It's like a holistic understanding that's affecting performance and the several KPIs. I'm giving you a meal to prepare. You first gather ingredients. What are the steps for you to prepare that meal to ensure it's ready and it's the meal that someone wanted? Communication in BI is very crucial as you get to update the client every step of the way. This is what I've done. This is how it's impacting your business. And they get to provide you with feedback to ensure you get what really matters to the client and implement it. It's important because you're trying to communicate to mostly non-tech people what your dashboards mean and ensuring they really grasp in detail what you're trying to portray to them. This brings about miscommunication if I have very good dashboards, but they don't really portray or communicate to my intended clientele what I really want them to understand. Lastly, it's business understanding. This is the process of we are trying to debug how processes work in a company, like from their manufacturing to their distribution to the point it reaches a customer. You don't just get to explain the what as in terms of the product, but the how and the why. Why is this distribution channel failing and how can we improve on that? I will definitely recommend this course to someone as in my experience, it has helped me bridge the gap of what exactly I was taught in school and the skills I can apply in the industry.